Imagine you can make 10,000 naira to 50,000 naira weekly for just answering simple calls. Now, these are 20 minutes calls which you can answer with a virtual SIM provided by the platform which you'll be working with in this video. And in this webinar, I'll be explaining exactly how I've been able to make over 1.8 million naira on this business model. So make sure you don't skip this opportunity. Make sure you don't skip this video. Now, let's move on to the class. Now, firstly, this is proof of my account right here. As you can see right here, this is my dashboard and I've made over 1.8 million on my account right here. Here's a proof of my earnings, as you can see. And this is to tell you that I know what I'm talking about and I actually practice what I am currently talking about or what I'll be explaining for you in this video. So make sure you don't miss a single step. So I made this 1.8 million in over 3 weeks on this platform. That is almost a month, and I'll be explaining how I did that in this video. Now here are a few testimonies from my students right here, because as I went into this platform, I also took my students in and also guide and provided them with knowledge and how they can actually earn on this platform. So this is Clinton right here. This is a withdrawal of over 400k on Nextel. This is Vicky right here. This is a withdrawal of over 87k on Nextel, and this is Joy right here, and this is a withdrawal of over 200k on Nextel. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. Now if you want to get registered on Nextel, you can access the website with the link here, which is nextelconnect.com.ng. You can copy it out and paste it on your Chrome browser and search it out so that you can follow up as we proceed with this webinar. nextelconnect.com.ng. So moving on, the platform website is nextelconnect.ng, and let's go straight to the next one. Now, this is a few reasons why this particular business is one of the easiest and best business you can join in 2026. Firstly, you are not selling anything to anyone. You are just activating SIMs on this particular platform. You are just answering calls on this particular platform, and through this particular means, you are earning on the platform. I'll be breaking down exactly how and why these particular activities are necessary for you to do so that you can earn on the platform, and how it benefits you and also it benefits the platform. Now moving on, you also don't need an office to register on the platform. You don't need to move about from house to office or from office to house just to earn on this platform. You can do that from the comfort of your home. Secondly, you earn long term. Now this particular platform has a reverse billing system which enables you earn through calls that people make under you. So let's say you activate a SIM. Now that particular SIM, each call that particular SIM makes, you earn from it basically. Now moving on, you can start from the comfort of your room. Like I said earlier, you don't need to move from office to house to be able to earn on this platform. You can literally start from the comfort of your home right now and start earning on Nextel. Now also, you don't need to show your face on Nextel, which means you don't need to show your face on social media or maybe do video call, whatever. You don't need to do any of that. All you have to do is to make audio calls and you earn from them. Now these audio calls are actually automated, which means they are AI generated by the platform, and the platform gives you these AI generated calls. And lastly, the only thing that you need to get started is your smartphone and your SIM card, and you're good to go. Now the next thing, how can you make calls on Nextel and earn? Now with Nextel as a registered member and you have an eSIM on the platform, you can earn as much as 628 naira for every 1 minute call you make. And if that call goes up to 20 minutes, you can also make an extra 12,560 naira for every 20 minutes of call. So which means each call you make, you earn. Now why are these calls paying you? Because these calls are branded calls. I don't know if you have encountered a call before on your phone, and this call is kind of an automated call, which means yes, someone called you, but it is an automated voice that is actually conversing or talking with you on that call. Now that particular call is kind of an advert which businesses pay heavily for. Now a business like Nestle, what they do is they give these businesses audience that they can send these calls to, and at the end of the day you get paid for helping them do that. That's basically how you earn on Nextel. Now moving on, here are a few different ways you earn on Nextel. Now firstly, you earn through call rewards. Secondly, you earn through SMS rewards. I know you have experienced a situation whereby you receive an SMS on your phone and that kind of SMS is kind of a promo SMS. Maybe they're trying to tell you to get extra data, or they're trying to tell you about an upcoming so, you understand. But I've received them several times, and I know some people has received them. So basically, you earn from viewing these particular SMS messages. Thirdly, you earn through connect bonus. Now this connect bonus is, like I said, you activate sims on this platform, so which means each sim that you activate on the platform, you get a commission for it. Now this connect bonus ranges from 12,000 to 14,000 naira per connect or per activation that you do on this particular platform. Talking about the Nextel call, this is how you earn through the Nextel call reward on Nextel. Now, with Nextel, as a registered user, you earn as much as 628 naira for every minute of call. If you do the calculation, each 20 minutes gives you an extra 12,560 naira for each call. Now, if you keep making these calls consistently, because it's not just one call, it's not just two calls, you get to get calls and receive calls. That you get to make calls and you get to receive calls. Now, each call you make, each call you receive, you get paid for doing just that. And talking about SMS rewards, as you receive messages on your Nextel SIM, you earn as much as 10,000 naira for each 20 SMS messages you receive. So each 20 branded messages that you receive on your Nextel SIM or your Nextel virtual SIM, you get 10,000 naira for just that. So the more messages you receive, the more you earn. If it is brands like Binance, you can easily, view the message, download their app, use Nextel as a promo code, and you get rewarded instantly. Now also you earn through the connect bonus, as I explained earlier. The more sims you activate on the platform, the more you earn. Now you earn as much as 14,000 naira for each number you connect to Nextel. So each activation, each connect you make on Nextel gives you an extra 14,000 naira on your earnings. Now here are a few testimonials from my students right here. This is Joy right here, this is Vicky right here, and this is Clinton. You can see they have been progressing since the last testimony. This is 550k, this is 267k, this is 477k, all made within the same 3 weeks that I joined this particular platform. So this is to tell you that it is very massive, and in this video I'll be showing you a 3-step process which I taught my students, and which I will also guide you through on exactly how I was able to earn money on this particular platform. You can visit the website nextelconnect.com.ng to get your account registered and follow up. Now there are two eSIM categories on Nextel, which is the Diamond eSIM and the Royal eSIM. Now to get access to the Diamond eSIM, it will cost you a one-time payment of 10,500, and to get access to the Royal eSIM, it will cost you a one-time payment of 17,500. This gives you full access to earning on Nextel and overall. So you'll be earning over 12,516 naira for each 20 minutes call, and potentially as a distributor on the platform, that if you get to a particular stage of earning on the platform, you can earn an extra 150k monthly. So that's very, very massive. Now, if you want me to give you access to the step-by-step guide that have helped Vicky, that have helped Clinton, and that have helped Joy, and over 260 people make over 1 million naira on Nextel, just comment down below in the comment section, I need the step-by-step guide, or comment I need this, or comment yes, and I'll be dropping it for you in the comment section. Now let's go on to the video. Now, if you need this step-by-step simplified guide and access to my support group, where I'll be able to hold your hands directly and actually guide you through on how I've been able to make over 1.8 million on Nextel, I've prepared a well-detailed step-by-step guide plus my support group, where I'll be properly guiding you exactly how I was able to make over 1 million on Nextel. So what do you have to do to get access to this? Now, this is what you'll be getting from this particular well-detailed step-by-step guide and my support group. Now, firstly, you'll be getting access to the registration on the platform, so which means you'll be getting registered on Nextel. Secondly, you also get access to my blueprint, which you'll be able to use to complete calls within 20 minutes and earn. The value of this is over 15,000 naira. Now, The total value for everything I mentioned here right now is 69,500, but you won't be paying that at all. Instead, you'll be getting all this for free immediately after your registration on either the diamond plan on Nextel or the royal plan on Nextel. So immediately after you get access to the platform, you get access to every single thing I've mentioned here. Now, this is Joy right here. This is her testimonial. It's a few testimonials from my students. This is Vicky. This is Debbie. This is another testimonial from my student. This is over 800k. This is over 1 million. And right now, to get registered immediately and join my students, all you have to do is to click on the first link down in the description. It will take you to my DM. You understand? It will take you to my DM where you can message me and get registered on Telegram. If you don't have Telegram, you can go ahead and download Telegram so that you can be able to message me. My account is very verified on Telegram, so once you message me, you already know that it is my account. Now, secondly, you can also click on the registration link in the description and also get registered. Once you get registered, you click on the link in the comment section, or you click on the link in the description so that you can message me. Once I confirm that you have registered, I will also be able to guide you. So take note of that. Now, I have a discount available for all of you who have watched to this point of the video, but this discount is only available to you if you message me on Telegram with the link down in the description. So for making it to this point of the video, you'll be getting registered at the discount rate for the two packages on Nextel. Now for the diamond eSIM, you'll be paying 9,500 instead of 10,500, and for the royal eSIM, you'll be paying 17,000 instead of 17,500. That will be all for the video. I hope you guys got value from this video. I hope you now understand everything you need to know about Nextel. See you guys in the next video.